Hi there. So today's problem is boats to save people. Let's see what are the inputs given for the problem. We are given an integer array people and an integer value limit. So let's get into the problem. The people array represents the weight of the people, weight of the people. That is, the ith place denotes the weight of that particular person. For example, for 0th person's weight is 3 and first person weight is 2. And we are going to send boats to save these peoples. The conditions given are a maximum capacity of a boat, that is the maximum weight a boat can hold, is denoted by limit, that is in this example it is 3. So another condition is a boat can carry maximum of 2 people at a time, not more than that. Let's see how we are going to approach this problem. So here, first we are going to sort the array. Let's take our own example, that is 3, 2, 2, 1. If we sort the array becomes 1, 2, 2, 3. That is our first step. Second step is people of light and people of heavy is less than or equal to limit. So in our case, light and heavy are 2 pointers to denote lighter and heavier people. For example, we are declaring light is equal to people at position 0, because as we sorted, the people of weight are in ascending order. So light as 0 and heavier people as the length of the array will be heavier people. So now we are going to check, we are going to add the weight of a lighter person and the weight of a heavier person and check whether it exceeds the limit. So in our first case, we are going to add 1 plus 3 is less than or equal to limit. Our limit here is 3. No, it is exceeding the limit. So in that case, we cannot hold the lighter person. So what we are going to do, we are going to carry only the heavier person. So in that case, we are going to decrement the heavier person because we have taken one heavier person in our boat, and our boat increments as we took one boat to carry our heavier person. Again the loop iterates and check whether now the lighter person is 1 and the heavier person is 2. We are going to check 1 plus 3 is less than or 1 plus 2 is less than or equal to 3. Yes, true. The second boat can hold actually 2 persons. So in that case, we are losing one lighter person and one heavier person. So what we are going, in that case, what we are going to do, we are going to increment a lighter person and decrement a heavier person, because the pointer moves here. If the lighter person is incremented, the lighter pointer is here, and the heavier person is decremented, the heavier pointer is here. So now we incremented the lighter person. So, and the boat is again incremented to calculate the second boat. Now it comes to the same point and points only this person. We have only one person remaining, and we are going to take this person in a third boat. So the boat again increases. This is how we are approaching the algorithm. Let's type in the code in LeetCode and check how it works. So as I said, in our first example, there are 2 people and the limit is 3. First, it checks the lighter person and heavier person can be held in a boat. Yes, 3 is less than or equal to 3. So the output is 1. We have explained the second example. Let's type in the code. So as I said, I'm going to declare 2 pointers. That is light, heavy, and a pointer and a variable boats to calculate the number of boats. At the end, we are going to return the number of boats only as our output. So now, as I said, light is going to point the lighter person, that is the person at the 0th position, and heavy is going to point the heavier person, the person at the last position of the array. So why I am putting this -1? Because the array will be represented from 0 to n. So now I'm going to loop it until the lighter person and heavier person are finished. As it is incrementing and decrementing, it comes to a middle point. Light is less than heavy, it iterates. So it checks if people at the lighter person adds the weight with heavier person, if a boat, I'm checking if the boat can accommodate, is less than or equal to limit, then it can carry two persons, light plus plus and heavy minus minus, that is we are decrementing the heavy, and we are adding our boats. We didn't declare our boat, so let's declare it with 0. Else, if the weight is more than the limit of the boat, then we can accommodate only the heavier person. So we are going to lose only the heavier person and increment the boats. Let's run the code.